Applications of addition and subtraction, class formats. Read the following stories carefully, locate the keyword and solve them. Tadi onsoguman story rangko nammerke 보라이보나 aro mongsongpa katako inoniko locate kabo aruko solve kabo nimna agania. Number A, 156,325 people visited the trade fair on Friday, 254,136 people on Saturday, and 289,654 on Sunday. Mekania 1,56,325 mandirang Friday trade fair ko visit kana. Digimna Sony Barode 2,54,136 mandirang visit ka. Digimna Sunday ode trade fair ko visit ka go mandirang 2,89,654 mandirang tunga. 2,89,654 mandirang trade fair ko visit ka Sunday. Find the total number of people who visited the trade fair on these 3 days. The 3 days manede my days ko agania Friday, Saturday, aro Sunday. Just halga thamo total number of people visit ka barang paita donga uko calculate kanagda agania. Salga thamo total paita mandirang trade fair ko visit ka ha uko calculate kanagda nangen. Ini gimana merakana ya aro ya gitu tamko plus kana ngano total ko calculate kanagda de 1 5 6 3 2 5 ini zaman de ya once again sakara sini abacingnya 6 3 1 4 5 2 ini zaman de last ke ba 4 5 6 9 8 2 yaho total kana nangen total node masibo plus tode plus kagno 5 plus 6 11 11 plus 4 15 ini gaman 5 carry over 1 1 plus 2 is 3 3 plus 3 is 6 6 plus 5 11 ini gaman 1 carry over 1 1 plus 3 is 4 4 plus 1 5 5 plus 6 11 ini gaman 1 carry over 1 1 plus 6 is 7 7 plus 4 11 11 plus 9 bedongjok 20 that is 0 carry over 2 2 plus 5 7 7 plus 5 12 12 plus 8 bedongjok 20 that is 0 carry over 2 2 plus 1 is 3 3 plus 2 5 5 plus 2 7 bedongjok era 7 lakh 115 7 lakh 115 mandirang ya salga thamo trade fair ko visit ka yan total number of people who visited the trade fair on this 3 days. Number B, an ice cream parlor sold 569,854 cups of ice cream in a year. Tadi gesa ice cream parlor ara balsigimako 5,69,854 cups of ice cream ko phalana. Out of this 2,20,306 cups were vanilla and the rest were strawberry. Tadi these cups of ice cream oni 2,20,306 cups de maina vanilla ice cream. Aro bangki de strawberry nim nagania. Strawberry de batta cups donga ukude inude janapjajo. How many strawberry cups were sold in that year? We will see strawberry cups ko batta ke strawberry cups of ice cream ko phala nimna singinga. Tadi strawberry cups batta donga uko machine agdade merakana yet total number of cups of ice cream inoniko ye vanilla ice cream disik donga iko inoniko subtract kagalna nangen 220,306 cups of vanilla ice cream iko ye total oniko na subtract kagalna nangen unosa strawberry cups batta donga ko mashigen ini mana sigen 5 6 9 8 5 4 ini sama de vanilla ice cream de batta donga this 220306 sakarachin abichin 603022 demna minus again the 46 na bate chon bata ini gimen iko dalat nagda 5.1 range ne dia 14 ongjok 14 oni 6 yang ade bate nongknya 8 demna 4 nongknya 4 minus 0 de 4 demna 8 minus 3 de 5 demna 9 minus 0 de 9 6 minus 2 4 5 minus 2 3 3,49,548 yanongjo strawberry cups 3,49,548 strawberry cups were sold in that year. Number C, in a society 87,540 apartments were sold in the first 3 months in 2012. That is a society Hazelni chigni bilsio first 3 months but among apartment angko phalana 87,540 apartment angko phala dimna ditamung apartments oni 25,412 apartments kode January jao phalhana aro 36,980 apartments ko February jao phalaha. How many apartments were left to be sold in March? Tore March jao phalnagta paitamung apartments rang dongr kuinga nimnesnya. Tore March jao paitamung apartments rang dongr kuinga ko calculate khanagdare skangba January jao phalgaba apartments 25,412 aro February jao phalgaba apartment rang 36,980 ye gigini ko na plus ka chingna rangen ya nam ye gigini number ang ko na plus ka ni jamano de ya 87,540 apartments ni ko na minus ka galna rangen skang bao ya aru ye gigini ko plus ka chingen 25412 ini jamano de ya ko jakare sinyal chingen 0 8 9 6 3 plus again 2 plus 0 de 2 1 plus 8 de 9 9 plus 4 de 13 no de 3 carry over 1 1 plus 5 de 6 6 plus 6 12 carry over 1 2 carry over 1 1 plus 2 de 3 3 plus 3 6 Petamanjok 62,392 the total number of apartments de 87,540 87,540 demna yakosi bajok 2 9 3 2 6 sign the minus demna 62392 equal 87540 niko minus kai galgen demna 0 de 2 na bate chon bata ini gmen yakho dalat nagda 4 niko 1 round de 10 oha 10 minus 2 de 8 3 dongor kya 3 de 9 na bate chon bata ini gmen 5 pani ko 1 round de 13 oha 13 minus 9 de betang jok 4 demna 4 dongor kya 4 minus 3 de 1 7 minus 2 5 demna 8 minus 6 2 so 25,148 apartments were left to be sold in March.